In front of me is Cubot King Kong Mini Free, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Apps and Notifications. Then scroll down, select Notifications and click on App Settings at the top. Now click on blue switcher next to any app from which you want to block them. To switch them back on, hit the same now gray switcher. If you want to, you can also just tap on any of your apps available on the left, and then manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!